Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Everyday English Talk, where learning English is easy and fun.
Hi, Lisa.
Hi, Jake, and hello to all our amazing listeners around the world.
It is wonderful to be back here with you today.
Hey, Jake, good morning. You look a little stressed today. What's going on?
Morning, Lisa. Yeah, I'm not gonna lie. I have a meeting today, and I feel nervous about speaking English at work. My brain freezes, ha 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 ha.
That brain freeze feeling is normal, but tell me the truth. What exactly scares you? The words, the people, or the pressure?
Honestly, all of it. When my coworkers speak fast, I feel lost. And then I panic. And when I panic, my English turns into, I don't even know what.
A beautiful mystery language, ha ha ha. But okay, let's fix this. Today, we're talking about how to survive English conversations at work, and you're the perfect example.
I knew you were going to say that.
So tell me, what do you usually say when someone at work asks, "Hey Jake, can you update me about the project?"
I usually say something like, yes. I will send later. Maybe soon. I know it sounds terrible.
It sounds like you're trying to escape from the office through the window.
I wish I could ha ha ha.
Okay, rule number 1 for surviving workplace English. Keep your sentences short and clean. Don't try to sound fancy, just be clear. For example, say, "Sure, I'll send you an update in 10 minutes.
That does sound easier. My problem is I try to talk like some professional robot.
Stop that. Nobody likes robot English. Human English wins every time. Now repeat after me. "Sure, I'll send you an update in 10 minutes.
Sure, I'll send you an update in 10 minutes.
Nice. That's already 10 times better than, "I will maybe later soon send."
Okay. I get it. Ha ha ha.
Let's talk about small talk at work. Do you do small talk with your coworkers?
I try. But sometimes I don't know what to say. If someone says, "How's your day?" I panic like they asked me to explain physics.
You're not alone. Many learners panic at, "How's your day?" But the truth is, people don't want a long answer. Just say, "Pretty good. Busy, but good. How about you?"
That sounds simple. But I always think I have to give a full life story.
No, this is work, not therapy. Ha ha ha. Now say it.
Pretty good. Busy but good. How about you?
Perfect, natural, easy.
But what if they start talking fast after that? That's where I drown.
If someone talks too fast, use the magic sentence. Could you say that again a little slower, please?
That's my magic sentence? Feels too simple.
Simple as magic. Try it.
Could you say that again a little slower, please?
Great. And don't feel shy. People at work respect clarity.
Okay. But sometimes I understand the words, but not the meaning. Like yesterday, my coworker said, "Let's touch base later." I thought he wanted me to touch a base, like baseball.
Ha ha ha. Jake, no. Touch base means talk for a moment. This is why office English feels like code language.
It is code language.
Exactly. So let's decode a few.
Circle back equals talk again later. Run it by me equals show me your idea. On the same page equals we understand each other. Take the lead equals you be in charge.
Oh wow. So many secret phrases. Welcome to the world of corporate English. Population, confused people.
That makes me feel better, ha ha ha.
Good. Now let's practice. I'll say something you might hear at work. You answer naturally. Here we go. "Hey Jake, can you run this by me before we send it to the client?"
Sure, I'll show it to you before we send it.
Smooth. Next one. "Let's touch base this afternoon."
Sure, we can talk this afternoon.
Perfect. Next colon. "Can you take the lead on this task?"
I can handle it. I'll take the lead.
Nice. Very confident.
I'm starting to feel better already. This is actually helpful.
Of course, you just needed clarity and practice. Now let's talk about meetings. What's the hardest part for you in a meeting?
When they say, any questions? I have 200 questions, but I say nothing.
Classic. Fear of judgment. But you need one simple trick. If you're unsure, say, just to confirm. This helps you ask questions without feeling stupid.
So I can say, just to confirm, we are sending the report today.
Exactly. Clean, professional, confident.
And what if I want to disagree politely? I always avoid disagreeing.
Then use this. I see your point, but I think. It's polite, and it shows you're engaged.
I see your point, but I think I can actually use that in real life. Ha ha ha.
Good. That's the goal.
Lisa, can I ask something? What if someone corrects my English in front of others? That embarrasses me.
Listen, Jake, if someone corrects your English, it doesn't mean you're stupid. It means you're improving. Say this. Thanks for the correction. I appreciate it.
That does sound mature.
It is mature and professional.
What about face emails? I freeze at emails too.
Emails are easy if you follow the pattern. 1. Greeting. 2. One main point. 3. Clear closing. For example, Hi John, here is the updated report. Let me know if you need anything else. Best, Jake.
That's so clean. I write emails like a confused novelist.
Stop writing novels. Write like a normal human.
Fine, fine, ha ha ha.
Okay, Jake. Before we move on, let's summarize quickly. Short sentences, clear requests, simple phrases, magic rescue lines. No overthinking.
You make it sound so easy.
It's easy when you stop trying to be perfect. Confidence comes from clarity, not complexity.
That actually hits hard.
Good. You needed that.
So what's next?
Next, we'll practice real workplace scenarios, conversations with coworkers, managers, and clients. And I'll push you a little more.
Great. I'm scared already, ha ha ha.
You should be. Let's go. All right, Jake, let's jump into real scenarios. Imagine you walk into the office kitchen and your coworker says, "Morning, how's everything going today? What do you say?"
Pretty good. Busy, but good. How about you?
Nice, smooth, natural. But add one extra line to keep the conversation alive. Something simple like, "Got a lot to finish today."
Pretty good. Busy, but good. How about you? I've got a lot to finish today.
Perfect. That makes you sound confident and friendly. Not awkward.
I'm feeling less awkward already, ha 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 ha.
Good. Now scenario 2. Your manager asks, "Can you give me a quick update on the report?" Go.
Sure, I'll send you an update in 10 minutes.
Good start, but add one detail so you sound more professional. Sure, I'll send you an update in 10 minutes. I've already completed the first part.
Sure, I'll send you an update in 10 minutes. I've already completed the first part.
That's it. Clear, responsible, confident.
I like this new confident version of me.
Don't get too excited. We're not done. Scenario 3. A coworker explains something too fast. You're lost. You don't want to look confused. What do you say?
Could you say that again a little slower, please?
Strong. Now add a reason to sound even more professional. I want to make sure I understand correctly.
Could you say that again a little slower, please? I want to make sure I understand correctly.
Excellent. You sound like someone who cares about accuracy, not someone who's struggling.
Wow. So small changes make such a big difference.
Exactly. Workplace English is about small, powerful adjustments. Now let's go deeper. Scenario 4. You disagree with your colleague during a meeting. What do you do?
I see your point, but I think...
Yes. And add a suggestion after, maybe we could try a different approach.
I see your point, but I think... Maybe we could try a different approach.
Perfect. Respectful but confident.
I feel like I'm leveling up.
Because you are. Now scenario 5. You need help from a coworker, but you don't want to sound demanding. Use this. Do you have a moment to help me with something?
Do you have a moment to help me with something?
Add one more line for clarity, It won't take long.
Do you have a moment to help me with something? It won't take long.
Great. Polite and efficient.
Can I ask something tricky?
Go ahead.
What if I make a mistake in a meeting and someone laughs or looks annoyed? That scares me the most.
Jake, you're overthinking. Here's the truth. Native speakers make mistakes all the time. Nobody cares as much as you think.
But if you want a strong
Response.
say, let me correct that. This shows control. Let me correct that. Exactly. Short, powerful, and confident. You're right. That feels strong. Now, scenario 6. You need to leave a meeting early. What do you say? Excuse me, I must leave, maybe. Nope. Too weak. Say this. Sorry to interrupt, I have another commitment, I'll catch up later. Sorry to interrupt, I have another commitment, I'll catch up later. Clean. Professional. I'm writing these in my brain like a cheat sheet. Ha ha ha. Good. You need them. Now, scenario 7. A coworker gives you feedback. Even if you disagree, respond like this. Thanks for the feedback, I'll think about it. Thanks for the feedback, I'll think about it. Perfect. Calm and mature. And if you do agree, say,
That's helpful. I appreciate it. Good. Now let's do client communication, the toughest part. If a client asks for something impossible, don't say no.
say,
I understand your request. Let me check what we can do.
I understand your request. Let me check what we can do.
Exactly. This buys time and shows respect.
You're basically giving me all the power phrases, ha ha ha.
Exactly. Now here's another important one. If someone interrupts you, say, let me finish my point real quick.
Let me finish my point real quick.
Perfect. If you want to interrupt politely, say, can I jump in for a second?
Can I jump in for a second?
Nice. Now let's practice phone calls, the ultimate nightmare for learners.
Please don't remind me. Phone calls destroy my soul.
Too bad. We're doing it. If someone calls and you don't recognize their voice, say, may I ask who's calling?
May I ask who's calling?
Good. If you need to transfer the call, say, let me connect you.
Let me connect you.
If you need a minute to check something, say, could you hold on for a moment?
Could you hold on for a moment?
Nice. Now, customer service situations. If someone is angry, don't panic. Stay calm and say, I understand your frustration. Let's find a solution.
I understand your frustration. Let's find a solution.
Good. Strong tone. If someone blames you for something you didn't do, say, I see the issue. Let me look into it.
I see the issue. Let me look into it.
Clean, neutral, professional.
This is like a complete survival guide.
That's the point. Now, Jake, here's your final challenge. Imagine your manager asks, Jake, can you explain your idea to the team?
I usually panic and start speaking like a broken radio.
Not anymore. Use this structure. 1. My main idea is. 2. The reason is. 3. The result will be.
Let me try. My main idea is to update the report format. The reason is, it will make things clearer. The result will be faster communication.
That's excellent. Simple and powerful.
Wow. I actually feel confident now, like I can walk into the office and speak like a normal human being.
That's the goal. You don't need perfect English. You need clear English, short sentences, strong phrases, simple structure, confidence in your tone.
Thank you, Lisa. Seriously, this episode helped me more than you know.
Don't thank me yet. Before we close, repeat these final survival phrases after me. Just to confirm, I see your point, but could you say that again a little slower, please? I understand your request. Let me check. Sorry to interrupt. I have another commitment. Let me finish my point real quick.
Just to confirm.
I see your point, but could you say that again a little slower, please? I understand your request. Let me check. Sorry to interrupt. I have another commitment. Let me finish my point real quick.
Colon perfect. You're ready for the workplace world now.
I feel like a new person, ha 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 ha. Good. Now go survive those office conversations and maybe even enjoy them.
I'll try. No promises, ha 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 ha.
That's enough. Great job today.
Thanks, Lisa. See you in the next episode.
See you.